Very good morning to you and welcome to our Bird Notes. This is Dwight Davis. The word downy has warm and soft connotations for obvious reasons, and perhaps suggests something small, as in babies under blankets. So downy, for our smallest woodpecker, is an appropriate name. The downy is a common eastern woodpecker. It lives year-round in our area, a handsome little bird, easily seen and heard. It comes equipped with typical woodpecker equipment: stiff tail feathers for support, a sturdy bill and specialized tongue for feeding, and it is zygodactylic. What a great word that is. 2 of its 4 toes face forward, 2 backward, the better to cling to tree trunks and branches. The 6.5-inch long black and white Downey Woodpecker looks almost exactly like its larger relative, the 9-inch long black and white hairy woodpecker. The best way to tell them apart, other than size, is by their bills. The hairy has a noticeably large bill, appearing almost oversized. The Downey's is smaller. The males of both species sport a red patch on the back of the head. Woodpeckers do not really sing, though they do have distinctive calls. Here's the Downey. But woodpeckers can communicate by drumming with various rhythms and speeds, broadcasting specific messages about territories or courtship. Or perhaps the bird could just be searching for lunch, or a limb into which to excavate a nest hole. With experience, one can identify woodpeckers by their drumming, as other birds can be identified by songs. Here's a Downey woodpecker drumming. Now, I don't know what the message is here, but just hearing that puts me in mind of spring, when the Downey is out examining trees for nesting sites.